So Tumuchi come over the other day, car overheating big time. Says he needs a phone. I need a new phone. I'm like, phone? What does having the phone have to do with your car overheating? But he's talking about fan. He just doesn't speak in English too good. So okay, right on. I'm checking some stuff out because, you know, it's not necessarily the fan. Check this out. A new bike. Somebody just left this here for me. But I need the pedals off it. So anyways, I'm dicking around. I noticed his air filter's totally plugged, so I order him a new air filter. It's like 21 bucks plus tax, so it's like 25 bucks or so. I tell him, give me 40 bucks, and he's trying to dicker me for a deal. But so, okay, right on. I mean, I told him, you know, it might not be, you know, your fan. It could be like the pewter, like a sensor or something, not reading the temperature, and your pewter's just not turning your fan on. But you can't communicate that with him because he knows speaking English. So anyways, he's just adamant on getting a friggin' fan. So I call Part Stick. Well, Part Stick doesn't get that kind. So I call friggin' Nissan's or whatever. And they're like, oh, it's like 700, 800 bucks. So I'm telling him, oh, it's like 700, 800 bucks plus whatever to put it in. Oh my God, too much. So he's driving his car overheating. Oh my God, your car is gonna be dicked, bud. It's gonna be dicked and no good, no more worky. You can't, you know, but he does listen. He doesn't want to listen. So he's like driving it to Sarnia, taking it to Canadian Tire and stuff. And oh my God. But anyways, here's the footage of that. Smoke cigarettes.
Maybe change the phone. How much money?
What?
That. No. That.
Yeah, you gotta let it down for fuck's sake. You're holding it up. Holy fuck. Oh my God. So what, where's your coolant air school?
Coal okay.
Okay.
I see the coal okay. Oil okay. Coal okay, you see?
Too much hot? Hot?
No, yeah, that's computer no more problem. Computer no problem. 你就是 here computer no problem. 你就是 no change new one, change old one. How much money? Maybe.
What's that?
Change the phone.
The phone?
Phone change new.
Or fan?
Yeah, phone.
You got fuses?
Yeah, you see that maybe.
Where's fuse?
Yeah, maybe that's one broken. Maybe that's a share broken.
Where's the fuse?
You
Fuse.
here?
No, that's air box.
Oh, Bill. I don't know, Bill here.
Oh my God. Why? No. Why?
No?
Hey, how's it going? Oh, too much is car needs an air filter.
No, I need, not too much.
Oh, I apologize. That's a Nissan. Yeah, Qashqai. 17, I think.
change the phone, change the phone, change the.
What do you mean? This?
Change the that one. Yeah, you see it. Change the phone, change the that one, change the oil. I don't know. Everything you hear. How much money?
Oh, oil will have to be another day. Oh my god.
Why?
Too much, you know.
Ay-ya.
Oh my god!
Ay-ya.
You just throw it in my driveway?
You see?
You just throw it in my driveway?
Oh my god.
What the fuck's wrong with you? Look at this. It's just
Wow, garbage.
it's just like schmig. It's like wet schmig. I wonder if that's what's wrong with this car.
Change your new one?
Yeah. New one coming.
No, that one
Yeah.
seat. That one no problem, just that one.
Yeah.
Just the phone. No good.
This bad. Where are you? How did that even happen?
Today no change?
Yeah. It's
Today?
coming. It's coming.
Change one more. No, phone, everything. Phone, see the how much? That's
Fan?
Yeah,
This?
that's phone.
This?
Yeah, that's he not working. No, maybe that's hijack. No. Yeah, you see? Oh my God, broken. You check it. Power.
Well, it only comes on
Power.
when you're
No,
gunning
come
it.
down.
Hold on.
Thank you.
Relax.
You check it. Power, not go. Maybe.
Yeah, it only turns on
Here, computer no.
all the time. This doesn't come on all the time, only sometimes.
现在
Yeah.
broken 的 phone
No broken.
no broken，
No broken.
就是 computer，就是
No, it's this. Make a hot engine. Hot. This.
yes。
Yeah. Struggling to breathe.
Okay, maybe no. One more that one. One more maybe he phone not working.
Yeah, it only works sometimes. It doesn't
Sometimes?
come on all the time. Only sometimes.
现在就是 that one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You today change that one.
Yeah.
Okay, change that one. See, very good. How much money?
5,000. Expensive in Inwood, bud. Well, the filter's 25 or 22 or something he said. So by the time it gets here, probably say we'll tell you 25 bucks. And how long you bothering me for here? Probably bother me for half an hour. You know what I mean? Diagnosis. Give me 40 bucks.
40,
40. 40.
40, not cheaper.
25 bucks for the
Hey,
filter.
okay, more that one. Check the oil. Here, oil there. You see that?
You got oil?
Yeah.
Oil?
Change oil.
You got oil?
Yeah. Engine oil.
You got it?
I need it. You see? Here, he here. Computer here. Change oil.
Wow.
How much? Every two.
I don't know. I was on the phone with the parts dick and you waited until he was already on his way with one stuff before you said anything, so we'll just change
Yeah.
your filter.
One change
Look at-
oil. Change that one two more. How much
Look at,
money?
look at this. Gouda.
The good one?
Gouda.
Okay, no change.
No.
No, you computer here, sound computer, no sound computer, everything computer, yeah.
Computer garbage. Garbage. Computer garbage.
Okay, $14. One more that one. Change the oil. No change. Okay.
Changing maybe 1 month. Change the oil.
Tomorrow.
No, 1 month. Do like August or something.
This is very good. Oh my God.
Okay, we wait for filter, and then we put the filter in. You give me $40.
Okay.
Scores.
Okay, I for you.
I'm
No.
out of money.
One, you sold the money for me. How much? You paid, you paid, you paid for me. One year for me.
I don't speak Chinese. I don't speak Chinese.
我可以把两部，一部吊车，一部铲车卖给你，你去修理好了，卖出去钱才还给我。
Oh my god.
你把我的铲车和吊杆拿走，修理好了卖出去，钱才给我。No working.
Broken. Dicks always ask why we don't use this because it's dicked.
你把我的铲车和吊车
Sign language and stuff.
拿走，修理好卖出去，钱还给我。你写一张欠条。
You can take my car that was lost in an accident, repair it, sell it, and pay me the money, and you also rate me an IOU. What one?
That one?
Picture? Picture. Show me.
Oh, okay. That one no picture. Big one higher. That one. That one picture at my house.
Oh, not your car, your tractor.
25. 吊车25吨，铲车8吨。
He still tried to sell those heavy equipment sticks.
No.
Gotten whippy. Yeah, the crane weighing 25 tons and the truck weighing 8 tons. Oh my god.
High. 1903. 903. This one. 32. He 3 more. 2. Higher. Done. That's one. Very
It's
good.
broken though. Broken. Big time. Broken.
No,
Broken.
broken. Leg four. Big one, my
Remember the
my
hydraulic?
working. In the here, 12 years.
Yeah,
In the
the-
here, 20.
The hydraulic
20,
fluid leaked all over the
12
tires.
years,
and made
maybe
them all
12
mushy.
years. I working. Okay.
It's a little better, eh?
Okay.
Right? That's what happens. That's what happens, buddy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Hey. Okay. Okay. Okay, money.
All the money.
Okay, I go money for you.
Okay.
I go money. I level. I level for you. Money.
Okay. Check and make
Oh,
sure.
no. Parallel, how much money? One more, one parallel, I need you check the power, that's okay.
Yeah, I don't know if I got a good one, buddy.
Okay, I go house to put it here. You see it?
Okay.
$40.
Oh, now it's $40. Oh. Hmm. Should breathe a little better now anyway.
No. Thank you, oil.
Yeah.
No, I need to set the sun. No, not that one. Oil. My down. Here. No. I don't know there.
You go get the oil. Yeah. You go King Tire, Walmart, whatever, get the oil, bring it back, I change it.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Another satisfied Custopini, boys. Nice.